What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Iron Golem from Minecraft. Let's begin today's lesson all the way at the top of our page with the brow. We're going to start on the left side with a straight line that goes across the bottom towards the right. Now let's draw a short line going up the sides and we'll flatten off the top. From the bottom corners of the brow we're going to step in, draw the side of the eye. We're going to come down to right about there. Draw the same length line on the right. Now I want to close off the bottom with a straight line. This is going to go across the top of the nose. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw two straight lines coming all the way down. So we're going to start on the left side and go across that bottom line all the way down towards the tip of the nose. Go over towards the right and do the same thing. Bring that down towards the same height and it'll flatten off the bottom. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So in the middle, draw a straight line going across towards the center of the eye. And pull that straight down. Line this up on the right. Do the same thing going out and then down. Let's move in and fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around the pupils. From the side of the brow, let's move out. We're going to draw two straight lines coming down the side of the head. This is going to be a little bit higher than the tip of the nose to right about there. And do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. I'm just going to pull this straight in towards the side of the nose. Let's extend the head up towards the top to right about there. Now on the left side, we're going to step out, draw a straight line going all the way across. With a little bit of an overlap. On the left side, go up. Now it's going to break off the top corner of the head, coming in and then up towards the top. Let's continue all the way across towards the right, and then we'll just flatten that off. Now we're going to draw on the top of the shoulders. Let's start from the bottom corner of the head. Just going to extend this out toward the left and right side. Come down the side of the chest to right about there. And we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's separate the chest in the middle with a straight line. And then we're going to add a stack of bricks underneath. So from the bottom corners of the chest, step in, draw two short lines coming down, and we'll flatten off the bottom. Let's add another stack. From the bottom corners, we're just going to pull this out slightly. Come down with another short line, and then we'll flatten that off. From the bottom corners, step all the way in, draw two more lines coming down, and we'll flatten off the bottom. Now we're going to draw the top edge of the legs. From the corner, step out, we're going to draw a straight angled line coming in towards the corner of the hip, and then down, line this up on the right, and do the same thing, going across the corner and then up. Let's go back to the outside leg, draw a straight angled line coming down and out. Just flatten this off coming in. And I want to close off the inside leg with another straight angled line. From the top of the legs, draw a straight line coming in towards the hips. Let's connect these 2 points with a straight line. Now you're going to see the inside bevel of the legs. We're going to start with another short line coming in. Follow this angle line going all the way up towards the center, in the middle. From the outside, draw another straight line going up. Let's draw in the knees. From here, come down, go across, and then back up. Now we're going to add one large block for the base of the legs. From the bottom corners of the knee, extend this out. On the side, come all the way down towards the bottom of the legs. Let's do the same thing on the inside, coming straight down, and then we'll flatten these off. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw in the arms. Let's start from the top corner of the chest, step up, draw a straight angle line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the arm. Let's do the same thing on the right, going across the corner and then all the way down towards the same height. Let's go back up to the top, angle this down and then in towards the bottom corner of the head. From the bottom of the arm, draw a straight line coming in. And we'll follow this angle going up and then in behind the body. Now going to the top of the arm, draw a straight line going out towards the edge of the shoulders. Follow this angle line coming down and out to right about here. And then pull that straight in. Now from here, we're going to step in, come all the way down towards the bottom of the arm, and pull that in towards the inside. From this point, we're going to draw on the thumb. We're just going to angle this in, flatten this off, and then go back up underneath the arm. From the inside corner of the thumb, angle this up, and then up and out. Now let's curve the hand. We'll start back at the top of the thumb, then it's down and then in on both sides. And then from here, angle this down and out. Follow that same curve going around and then up underneath the arms. Now from the inside of the hand, angle this up, curve this up underneath the thumb. Now with the body in place, let's go back up and draw that garland coming down the left side of the body. We're going to start with the flowers first. Starting from the very top, add a circle. And I want to surround that circle with petals going all the way around. Let's add another one. We want to repeat this all the way down towards the leg. Let's add one more down here. Let's add that garland of leaves coming down in between the flowers. So we're going to start up here. It's going to add these little curves. Little curls coming around and then down to each section of the body. Just going to continue all the way down towards the bottom. And just close it off on the bottom. Let's add a garland on top of the right arm. So again, we start with the flower. Let's add a couple more. And then we'll add those leaves in between. And just pull this out towards the side of the arm. Let's add a stack of leaves along the top of the shoulder. Now we're going to add a texture of cracks across the entire body. Let's start from the head. It's going to add these little wobbly lines going across, just coming in from the sides. Also adding some vertical cracks along the arms. And once we finish adding in all those cracks, we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the Iron Golem from Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, join our free club newsletter. You can get access to our weekly sketch workshops. Just click the link in the description. I'll see you in the club.